kweqa esinika ispeech zakutshela isecret ngomdala wamathi sisingaqandi imanga mina ngafunda la university umdala kuthiwa ngu-S-Dulu wayeyi-prefect mina ngi-class monitor, you know. Asimnikeni wawo baba.
Things happen. If this, what he says, happened, things happen. Wow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and good children everywhere. Morning, good morning. Good morning. Shout, good morning. Shout even louder. Good morning. Better now. I'm told it's your day. And if it's your day, make the best out of it. By the time you leave that door, you must say, I enjoyed my day. I'm happy ukuthi senza umkhosi lo silabazali bethu. Angithi ngoba singakhuluma bengekho bazawuthi uqamba amanga ngana usithi yikho esikufundileyo. But ngifuna lisuke lapha liyesupportana zelingikhaya. Uthi anti uyakhumbula mama. Anti uyakhumbula baba. Uthi we emkhosini wena. Angithi anti bazali. Ngabazali nyana. Amke ngabazali. Yimina abazali. Ngicela liyesupporta abantwana lawo. Abantwana laba bazidinga. Nathi siyabajani. Sinazona nithe abasidingayo kuphela. Labo siyabadinga ezimpilweni zethu. Bangekela ukuba khona sibale sizungu. Ukungezwa kwabo kolokhu kusipani ijoy emzini yethu ngoba silabantu bokukhuza. Angitsho liyakholisa la sikhuza nje. Wona ngabonga uThembu ukuthi uzayenza. Sizakhuzwa ngithi ngiyake ngubona kunjalo abantwaneni. Nxa bengezange into le drama phakathi babonani sokubhowa ekhaya. Ungcono akenza into efani kufanele kwenziwani? Ezakhuzwa. Ngizothi I'm sorry bazali, I'm sorry. Right, I have a prepared speech. I want you to listen very, very carefully. Wena mntwana thina bazali ngoba kumele sibe lama takeaways from umkhosi lo. Kumele kube lento esiphuma layo sithi siyifundile njalo sizakuyisebenzisa sesingikhaya. Kungabi ukuthi kuphela ngiathendile umkhosi lo xa kulokudla kwadliwa hayi ukudla wakho la bekumnandi. Ngithi ayisikho okuqhakathekile. The Day of the African Child is celebrated on June 16th every year. All things being equal, we should have celebrated June 16th. I'm happy that as a district of Bobi, we are part of the noble cause. Honorable guests, esteemed colleagues, and dear children. Today we gather to commemorate the Day of the African Child, a day dedicated to promoting the rights and welfare of children across our continent. As we celebrate this important day, we are reminded of the immense potential and promise that lies within every child. Ladies and gentlemen, our dear children, the theme of the Day of the African Child 2025 is actually planning and budgeting for children's rights. We want to take stock of the progress since 2010. This theme takes stock of the progress made in mainstreaming children's issues, in planning and budgeting by African Union member states. Ngime bangene bahlale cela hlale masinyane phansi besimeleleni. Sebehlezi ngibuza le sebehlezi asiqhubekele. While the specific theme for the Day of the African Girl Child is not mentioned, the Day of the African Child theme highlights the importance of prioritizing children's rights and needs in budgeting processes. Key areas of concern for children's rights and budgeting will include the following: increased investment in children. We want to make a deliberate effort to increase investment in children. Africa's growing child population demands more investment in their development to build a better future for the continent. Number 2, child-sensitive budgeting. Budgets should prioritize children's needs, addressing issues like poverty, malnutrition, and lack of access to education and health care. As Bobby Arad saying, we are walking this talk. We have budgeted under women for agriculture activities. We have budgeted this year 5,000, and then we have other budgets. We have another budget for let me quote it the right thing. I don't want to be misquoted. We have for flea markets under gender, we have put 30,000. We want to push issues of entrepreneurship, and then we have revolving fund for women and the girl child. We put a budget of 10,000.
Okay, no problem.
We want to see this implemented before the end of the year as Bobby RTC.
Okay, thank you.
Right? Our third concern is prioritizing children's issues. Children's issues should be given higher priority in budget processes, ensuring adequate resource allocation. We can have programs, but if these programs are ill-resourced, they will not succeed. They will only succeed if we attach resources to them. That's the only way we can accomplish them. Then we want to address harmful practices. We need to address harmful practices. Budgeting should also focus on eliminating harmful practices like child marriages and female genital mutilation. You may think this is far-fetched, it's out of this world. But trust me, genital mutilations are occurring even in Zimbabwe. There are some sections of our members of society who do it, but unfortunately it is underreported. kuyini usiba le genital mutilation bakwenzelani ngibani wakakuzwe lokho bakwenzelani why do they do genital mutilation Azakelizo ngakho liyaqala kali. Can I ask you the gurus here? Why do they choose amanye abantu omunye ongama-kicks ukuthi mutilate genitals of women? Omunye nje lasifuna ukuncedisa. Ukhona ufuna ukuncedisa? Ukuncedisa. Kuthiwa bazama reduce i-appetite here. Kuthiwa amankazana selani sele appetite yemdlwane. Bayabhilive ukuthi ukuze umntwana angagijimeli into zokukhula leza kumele angabi le-appetite. Basi beqhuma lalani phathi akwazi uvele iqiniso ukuthi bona bathi yenza umuntu abe le-appetite. Baqhumene yona leyo nto uthembe yona qhumi. So wena uselandaba nomuntu owesilisa usuzazikhulela nje kuhle ungumntwana uzube mdala ngisho. Uzuye uyekwenda okusemthethweni usuqalisa ukwenza izinto zabadala. Bayakukholwa lokuthi ungakuquma awusahluphi wena. Siyazivuyela kuhle ngesikhathi awusabaleli ikhaya asisakudingi udlala ungikhaya. Angithi? Right. Siqhubeke ngapho. Asibona abathi siqhubeke ngapho. Asibona abathi asikaqhubeki ngapho ngoba lokhu thina hayi singake sikukwanise. Madoda yini? Awu, yebo mama.